So magandang araw kabola. Sa video na ito kabola, bibigay po natin kabola ito pong ranking natin ng top 5 first round picks. Sa palagay natin po is matitrade, and of course some discussion around Philippine basketball. So hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Let's start po with the comment with one of our most recent po na mock draft. Kai will be a dog, sabi ni Cabia Cornelius. Sabi naman ni Nel Ora, idol pa shoutout naman dito sa Placer, mas bate mga katoda ng Placer. Then sabi niya dito kabola ni Stanley Robles, yung mga nilagay mo dyan ay hindi pa nag-file ng application to draft. Basta lang may content at panoodin ng tao. Come on kabola, this is mock draft. If you're a fan of NBA, you know that ito naman talaga yung ginagawa. Mock drafts can be a content po all throughout. Yung sa NBA nga eh, may nagko-content na, may naglilista na po ng pang 2026 po na NBA mock draft. Come on. Hindi lang ito may content. This is basically for fun, for entertainment, diba? Then sabi po dito ni Gilbert Valeriano, Mark Nonoy is the next JJ Helterbrand. I do not think same po sila ng laruan, and JJ, one of his biggest asset is his size eh. And Nonoy is of course not a big guard, so I do not think na medyo pareho po sila. Then, sabi ni Marlo Martinez, palpak yung draft ng SMB, dapat makipag-trade sila sa number 4 or number 5. So, you mean farm team trade? I hope they will not do that, diba? We're not a fan of that, kabola. Now, kabola, of course, we want to say congratulations, kabola, when this video is being recorded, kabola. Gilas is about to play against Brazil, kabola, and they are doing well. They're doing their very best, kabola, and they're winning games. Kaya naman, sa nakita natin doon sa 2 games po nila against Latvia and Georgia, talagang ibang level din yung pinakita po nila, kabola. Especially Justin Brownlee, that it even led to Coach Tim Cone questioning, kabola, na dapat ata ito si Brownlee is nasa NBA, kabola. And sa nakita natin with the way he's playing, in this, especially in these last 2 games, and what he did in the Asian games, kabola, I think actually there's a good case, diba? And maybe ganun lang talaga eh. Like, of course, kahit man nasa NBA itong si Brownlee, of course, malamang doon he will just become a bench player at the best, diba? And sometimes there are bench players level, kabola, na hindi talaga makakarating po sa NBA. Parang PBA lang din, diba? Of course, may mga pang bench player sana na level po sa PBA that they will not play in the PBA. Hanggang MPBL lang sila or masaya na sila sa MPBL, kabola. And so, I mean, it happened, kabola. It happened. Now, ito na nga, kabola, yung ating pong ranking. Yung 5 first round pick na sa palagay natin is pwede pong matrade. Number 5 ko dyan will be Phoenix, number 4 pick, kabola. May discussion po tayo nakita sa Twitter discussing na itong Converge daw po at Phoenix are under negotiation right now for a potential trade for the number 4 pick. And for me, these are the type of trades na kabang-abang kasi of course, trade of independent teams. So, they're trying to win that trade, both sides, kabola. Number 4 ko will be the number 2 pick of Blackwater Elite, kabola. So, I think the current situation of Blackwater Elite is not really, kumbaga, maganda po for them to do another farm team trade. Especially with the reality ng TNT, kakakuha lang kayo ng batak, diba? And usually naman, in an off-season, isang beses lang kukuha po ang TNT. So, nakuha nila yun ng batak, malamang hindi na po sila muna kukuha yung Blackwater. So, with that, I do not expect a trade for Blackwater Elite. Although, of course, madami nagsasabi, kaya number 2 pa rin ito sa ranking natin. Number 4 pala. Number 3 natin will be the number 10 pick of Ginebra, and that is because we expect them to trade up. And if they trade up, the logical package will should or include po yung number 10 pick nila. So, that is the reason. Kaya ito po ang ating number 3. Number 2 natin will be the number 3 pick of Terra Firma. Of course, we're not hoping, kabola, that they will trade, diba? We are trying to predict kasi. Pero, knowing po na yun nga, umalis si Javi, of course, may mindset ng SMC, they also need to harvest, di ba? Kasi ginagasusan nga daw po nila ang Terra Firma. So, I think a trade for the number 3 pick is a bigger possibility right now. Pero number 1 pa rin natin will be the number 5 pick of Northport, kabola. Kasi Northport, knowing their current lineup, kabola, sila kumbaga, they have all the eagerness to trade for a veteran. So, if Ginebra yan, they will give Pringle, di ba? Kabola, halimbawa, itong San Miguel, they will give Tautua. Overall, kabola, if those trade happens, understood. Kabola, kumbaga, mas madaling i-defend yun ng Northport. Kaya number 1 natin dito is the Northport pick. Kababas, mo, sinong pick kaya matatrade? Comment na po sa baba.